Hello students, today we are solving the question of JEE Advanced 2022. That is a good question. The question is like that: dissolving 1.24 gram of white phosphorus in boiling NaOH solution in an inert atmosphere, we are getting a gas. That gas is Q. Now we have to find out the amount of copper sulfate that is required to completely react with that gas Q. So first of all, we have to understand which reactions are involving in this question. So we can understand that white phosphorus when react with aqueous NaOH solution. So this reaction is very important reaction which comes in the chapter P block, and that is the disproportionation reaction of white phosphorus P4. In this reaction, P4 gets converted into PS3 as well as NaH2PO2. Disproportionation reaction, that is very important reaction. So we can say, we can solve is like that: P4 means white phosphorus when react with NaOH, it gets converted, or we can say plus H2, or we can say it disproportionate into PH3 plus NaH2PO2. Now we have to first of all balance this equation because we are solving this question through mole concept. So when we balance this reaction, we can say that is 3 NaOH and 3 H2O will get 3 NaH2PO2. So that is the balance equation. Now which gas Q? Which gas Q? So PS3 is gas Q. So in this question, Q gas is, that is a PH3 gas. Now we have to find out amount of CuSO4 which is required to completely react with this Q gas, means that is PS3. So PS3 plus CuSO4 again react together and form Cu3P2 plus H2SO4. Now again we have to balance this reaction because we are solving this question through mole concept. So when we balance this reaction, PS3 plus CuSO4, we are getting 3 Cu, so here that is 3, and 3 sulfate, that's why we have to put here 3. Now we have to find out the amount of CuSO4. So first of all, we have to calculate the amount of PS3 which is forming in our first reaction. So how can we calculate? We can calculate through very simple mole concept. How many mole of P4 we are getting? We are taking how many mole of P4? We are taking 1.24 gram of white phosphorus. So mole of P4, that is equal to 1.24 divided by its molecular weight. Its molecular weight is 124. So ultimately we have 0.01 mole of P4, 0.01 mole of P4 when it react with NaOH, because NaOH we are taking in excess. That's why we can say white phosphorus is the limiting reagent and our product will be formed according to limiting reagent, means white phosphorus. So mole of PS3 produced in first reaction, that will also 0.01 mole, because here stoichiometric ratio is 1:1. It means when 1 mole of PO4 react with NaOH, then 1 mole of PS3 will produce. So when 0.01 mole of P4 react, then 0.01 mole of PS3 will produce. Now we are taking here, that is balancing the P2. So that's why we are here, we have to put 2. Now PS3 amount we are taking, that is 0.01 mole, and we have to find out the mass of copper sulfate. So how can we find out the mass of copper sulfate? First of all, we have to find out the mole of copper sulfate will completely react with PS3. So we can calculate it very easily. PS3 ratio CuSO4. We can say when we are taking 2 mole of PS3, then we have to take 3 mole of CuSO4. Then we have to take 3 mole of Cu2 as CuSO4 copper sulfate. But when we are taking 0.01 mole of PS3, then we have to take how many mole of CuSO4? That are equal to X mole. Now we can calculate through cross multiplication the value of X. So X will be 0.03 divided by 2 mole. Now what are the X? Actually X are the mole of CuSO4 that are required to completely react with PS3 produced in first reaction. but we have to find out the mass of CuSO4. So we can convert these mole into mass, a very simple relation, that is the number of mole multiplied by molecular weight. So mass of copper sulfate produced is equal to mole 0.03 divided by 2 multiplied by copper sulfate molecular weight. So what is the copper sulfate molecular weight? Molecular weight of copper sulfate is equal to 159. So that are the number of mole, that is the molecular weight of copper sulfate. So we will get our final answer. Our final answer will be 2.38 gram. When we calculate it, we will get 2.38 gram. So our answer will be 2.38 gram. So it was a very simple question. In this question, two reactions are involving. In first reaction, PS3 is producing, that is very famous reaction, very important reaction of P block, disproportionation reaction of P4, and this PS3 is again reacting with copper sulfate. We have to find out simply the amount of copper sulfate. So first of all, we have to calculate the amount of PS3 and then we can calculate the amount of CuSO4. It was a simple question of based on mole concept. Thank you.